Today we'll show you how to change your name in your Google account. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, you can go now to your Google Chrome and you can open this is new page, and you can open here. Okay, and you can go to manage your Google account, or you can click to here and go to account. Okay, it's like a normal like it, like this. Okay guys, okay, just we will go now to here and manage your Google account. Just click and you'll be finally find here. Just now go now to personal information here. Just click and you'll be find here, this is a name, and maybe here you can change your name. I don't know, like a new name here, like this new name, and you can finally use your new name, and you can do everything here what you want. Just guys, this is a method for change your name in your Googles or Gmail, and you can put what you want. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.